Hi there, JEE champs. Well, I have some breaking news for you. NTA has officially declared the results for the JEE Mains 2022 exam, and Aakash BYJU'S is immensely proud and absolutely delighted to let you know that a lot of our students have secured top percentile in the JEE Mains 2022. And here are the names of the Aakash BYJU'S JEE toppers from the June 2022 session. And of course, all of them have scored above 99 percentile. The state toppers include Dheeraj Kurukunda from Telangana, Mrinal Garg from Punjab, Himanshu Garg from Delhi, Ashutosh Agrawal from West Bengal, Gautam Arora from Uttarakhand, and Chetan Kukreja from Himachal Pradesh. Our team is super duper busy compiling the names of all the rest of our JEE toppers, and very soon we'll share the same with you. Guess what? More than 400 names so far. Meanwhile, let me enlighten you with a fact. Did you know that tons of questions, more or less similar to what we had already discussed on our Aakash BYJU'S JEE YouTube channel, actually did appear in the JEE Mains 2022 paper? Oh yes. So if you are someone who's already cleared the JEE Mains 2022 exam or are planning to clear it in the July attempt, heartiest congratulations and all the best wishes from our entire team. But if not, then this is the right time to start preparing for the JEE Mains 2023 attempt. And as always, we are here to help you. To access the JEE Mains 2022 results, click on the link in the description below. Also, very soon we'll be sharing videos on the JEE admission process. So make sure you subscribe to the channel in order to get all the latest JEE updates. Have a wonderful day, people. I'll see you soon.